Kuya Marcus Douthit, 10 points against China, but bouncing back with 25-point performance against Lebanon last night.
Look at the number of extra touches that he was able to get versus Lebanon compared to the number of times that he was fed the ball versus China. Aside from that, he also controlled the rebounding, especially against Lebanon. 25 points para kay Marcus Douthit and 21 rebounds. Jeff Chan just playing his A game, firing from all cylinders, and more importantly, willing to give up the extra pass para dito sa kanyang kasama na si Marcus Douthit.
You know, itong si Jeff with 17 points, and you know, in the past PBA season, you know, people always automatically talk about his outside shooting, comparisons to the Triggerman. But dito sa national team, in the Jones Cup and here in the FIBA Asia Cup, as Douthit misses the technical free throw, yung passing ability ni Jeff ang nangingibabaw. At
lumalabas din yung kanyang ability to break down the defense. You have to be a breakdown player or a long-range shooter or a combined type of a player para mag-fit ka rito sa system ni Coach Chotres. Hindi basta-basta nang kukuha ng best available talent si Coach Chotres. He wanted to bring in players who will fit into his dribble drive concept. Kailangan mag-fit ka ron. Dahil kung hindi, talagang parang odd man out kang lalabas dyan. Mukhang 4 na free throws ang ibibigay dito kay Marcus Douthit. Finally hitting one.
By the way, may kumakalat na balita na itong si Rahimov ay kahawig daw ni Kid Lightning. Paul Artati.
Kaya pala.
Oh,
may pala nagmamadali si Paul kanina umalis sa practice ng Meralco Bolts.
Ako naman binabahagi ko lang yung umaabot sa akin na hindi ako ang pasimuno niya. Here's Jeff for 3.
Talaga, oh.
Hindi. Ako binabahagi ko lang yung mga umaabot sa akin. Sinishare ko lang.
Tama naman.
6:18 remaining here in the third quarter. Yuginisov to Denisov. Douthit really breaking up that play. And Rahimov, ang hirap din ng buhay ni Rahimov.
Mahirap talaga. Hindi siya tinitigilan talaga. Hindi siya maka-execute. Hindi siya makahanap ng tira. Douthit controlling the inside defense for Team Pilipinas. Tapos yung pesky on the ball pressure natin. We had 8 steals at the turn of the half. Talaga namang patuloy pa rin yung ating pinapakitang relentless on the ball pressure.
Here's Kozlov, and you know, he's been shut down since the opening quarter. That's an open look para kay Yuginisov, and that won't work.
Uzbekistan once again held scoreless by the defense of Team Pilipinas.
So bola pa rin ng Philippines, and Jeff apologizing for that play. And number 14, si Safarov. Papasok dito. Coming in para kay Yuginisov. Almost halfway done dito sa third period. Tenorio on the left side. Sends it over to Jeff on the right side. Shot clock down to 10. Here's Norwood for 3. Outside shots are not dropping para dito sa
Wala
Uzbekistan.
talaga. It was only that post move earlier that accounted for the only bucket para dito sa Uzbekistan. It seems like Jeff Chan has even outscored the entire team of Uzbekistan here in the quarter. 7 in the quarter para dito kay Jeff Chan.
20 points for Jeff. Rahimov, no go.
23 lang Uzbekistan. 20 na dito si Jeff Chan para sa Team Pilipinas.
Here's Jeff. Pasa kay Douthit. Babalik kay Jeff. Jeff fakes. Jeff fires. In and out. But good hustle there by the Philippine front line. Norwood. LA. Here's Jeff. Fakes. Jeff, where's he going? Pasa kay Gabe. Tenorio to Jeff. Jeff Chan for 3. Here's Rahimov. Nice pass para kay Kozlov. Parang Artadi lang.
If I'm not mistaken, that is the only transition basket so far of Uzbekistan here in this game. 4 points in the quarter para sa Uzbekistan.
Look, lest I be accused of being unpatriotic, sasabihin ko na, mas maganda lalaki si Paul.
Hindi hama. Hindi
Sabihin ko na.
Hands down.
That's a foul.
Saka mas
against
mabilis
Kozlov.
tumakbo si Paul dyan.
Yeah, let's just say that, Paul has, lamang siya sa qualities over Hassan Rahimov.
Oh, yes.
Pero magkahawid sila.
Oh, yes. 11 or make that 12 points in the quarter para dito sa Team Pilipinas. Halos 70% dyan galing dito kay Jeff Chan. In fact, halos 50% ang total production ng Team Pilipinas galing dito kay Jeff Chan. Marcus Doughtet a quiet 8 points. But I'm sure he's very happy dun sa pahinga na nakuha niya dun sa first half. Did not play in the second quarter. And he will get a rest once, his rest once again. In comes itong si Raging Bull, Enrico Villanueva.
And actually, itong game na ito, mahalaga, because, kind of must win for us. Chot knew that, Uzbekistan was a very beatable team, but it's really more managing the minutes of the guys dahil, siyempre, ayaw mong pagurin yung mga key players mo in a game like this.
Totoo yan. The tournament will reach the deeper stage in the next 2 days. At higit sa lahat, gusto mong bigyan ng kumpiyansa yung mga ibang manlalaro mo. Players who are not getting the minutes that they're used to. You just want them to be sharp dahil hindi ka naman masyado nakaka-ensayo sa umaga ng laro. Kung nagsushoot around ban ang ating kupunan, kailangan kasi pag hinugot mo, merong ilalabas eh. And minsan hindi mo mabibigyan ng ganong pagkakataon kung hindi sila makakapaglaro ng kanilang minuto.
3:09 natitira here in the third quarter. Kozlov with a ball fake and a wild shot. Here's Fonacher. It's a 3-on-2 break. LA to Enrico!
Everything going the way of Team Pilipinas. Rebounding, points off turnovers. Too many layups given up here by the defense of Uzbekistan.
Rahimov. Look, Paul Artadi is a better ball handler, I think, than Rahimov. Miss there para kay Yakin. So takbo na naman dito ang Team Pilipinas and Larry will score the easy 2.
Defensive stop fueling another transition basket para sa Team Pilipinas. It's all about making the stops. A commanding 35-point lead para sa Team Pilipinas.
Yung natapos ang first quarter kanina, it was just a 7-point lead for the Philippines. Pero, naka 3 points. Naka 3 points si Rahimov.
LA Tenorio going underneath the screen. Binigay niya yung tira dito kay Rahimov. Tayo nagulat? Pwede.
Matapang naman si Rahimov. Corner shot, Ranidel.
Returning the favor. Team Pilipinas exploding once again here in the third quarter. We scored 23 in the first, 16 in the second, 21 already here in the third. Like that, hindi na pala. 24 na pala.
Oh, back-to-back three-pointers. Kanina, Rahimov, and now it's Denisov. Pero ang laki na nitong lamang ng Philippines. And, Philippines broke this game wide open second quarter, and they've yet to look back. And it doesn't seem like itong Uzbekistan will have the wherewithal to bounce back here. But that's a turnover against Ranidel. And here's Denisov with the easy 2.
Before the last 8 points by Uzbekistan, tanging 2 puntos lamang ang ating ibinigay dito sa green shirts dito sa second quarter. But the telling point of our campaign laban sa Uzbekistan was the 5 points that we allowed them to score in the second quarter.
Pull up, LA. So, paubos ang oras here in the third quarter. Pagdating ng fourth, pag-uusapan namin ni Coach Ronnie, we'll look at the bigger picture. Yeah, next game ng Gilas and and also objectives, objectives ng team going into the FIBA Asia Cup. 31.8 seconds remaining. Rahimov, you like him because he does not mind the score.
Totoo yan. Batang-bata pa to
He just plays hard.
He will get better, definitely. Only 24 years old, getting extended minutes, competing against the best teams in Asia.
Shot clock down to 2. Denisov rather. So we can write the last sentence of the third chapter. And we're on top by 30 big points. Philippines allowing Uzbekistan to score only 33 at this point. 8 seconds na natitira here in the third. Larry for 3. And Matt. Almost, but not quite. 63-33, Philippines on top. One more quarter to go. Itong FIBA Asia Cup here on Active.